Welcome to our full guide on how to enter promo codes on BetMgm in 2025. Are you ready to unlock amazing bonuses? Promo codes can significantly enhance your betting experience, providing valuable bonuses and perks. Let's start by creating your BetMgm account. It's quick and easy. During registration, look out for the promo code entry section. It's essential for maximizing your bonus. To stay updated, you can easily find current BetMgm promo codes for 2025 online. Make sure you're getting the best deals. Enter your promo code clearly to ensure successful activation. Double-check your entry before submitting. Remember, the key to maximizing your bonuses is using your promo code effectively. Don't miss out. Encountering issues? Let's address some common problems when entering promo codes and how to solve them. After entering your code, make sure to verify that it has been successfully applied. Look for confirmation messages. Now that you know how to enter your promo code on BetMgm, go ahead and take advantage of these amazing offers. Happy betting!